Hello guys, good morning. Yan, kamatan po guys. Kay maghikay na kami sa hikay na kami guys. Tunaw sa gatas sa bata. Guys, wag ko nakapanghinamon sa akong kaugalingon. Ay giuna pa nako pag yung makakuha ko sa content guys karon sa buntag say. Trabaho niyo mama? Trabaho niyo mama? Tulog pa? Dani ko guys na ilang mga flower nga dagan guys. Mayroon ko guys mga content tani guys. Hello guys, naring mga bata guys nga akong gibantayan guys. Apil na ni akong apo guys. So nagini siya guys, muuli na ni siya kaya mag-school. Na kinirang duha gid ang akong gibantayan. Oh, palit ko na siya guys.
Let's do this.
Aham. Lingkod ko. Nakita na yung lollipop guys. So, nakita na yung lollipop. Patang, kaya ito. Ini naman yung akong pandan guys. Ito tayo content dari. Kanina ning balay nga ilang lagi abangan dari sa inyo. So si Kurani guys kay Dani daw tanam ang akong insulin guys. Pwede ra Dani terda. Dani oh. Tanam ko sa insulin dahil guys kay mo man yung tambal sa akong diabetic herbal nako. Ay ang akong kuan to araman dito tanan sa kuan. Karon mo sulod sa ko dito guys kay nag-stocky na sa ning akong kuanan dani. Oh, gipatong na sa da. Dili na magigda na ni. Oh, de. Sa bangko. Dili tungtong sa bangko ah. Dili tungtong sa bangko kay madaot man ang bibi kung itungtong ang pom sa bangko. Dili magpadulos TV ha.
No.
Dahil tanong ko. Nakunlan ko sa tingin sa akong ako guys. Guys, nasa niya akong mga chikititing guys. Akong giyayahan muna sad ni.
Papa boy, tana. Dili mo ubi.
Kasi ngala na ako,
Kukumila.
kano bang gamatoy ng bata?
Jajan.
Jard! Jard! Di na ito bang Jard eh? Hello! Hello! Naglaro kami na. Nakatara dito. Okay, sound.
Ito be.
Kaya ito bangko. Panalikod niya siya. Padadaan na ba ka sa bag sunod? Padadaan na ba ka sa bag sunod?
What?
Ako, ay sabihan.
Ano pares na nimo?
Ha?
Ano pares na sa imo? Yummy guys. Dani, nasa din akong palangga kay guys. So, hoy, Dani. Diha. Oh, naara kami guys. Tanan.
Tiyan malit.
Naara kami tanan guys.
Ay, ate mo daw. Palit ko with school picture. Palit ko.
Sa pa. Wala siya.
Ito taas pe. Taas to dyan. Taas. Kana. Rini. Kana daw. Kana ba? Oo. Palit ko. Wapin na be.
So guys, nagkigda
Di
na
ba
guys.
balik? Teka mo kuna.
Ayaw ko, Bi.
Buti nagkaroon ng slide. Pero pag may slide ko, buklis yung ata, pag nakapa. Ako ng papa.
No, mag-away. Jacob.
Ano, papa?
Jacob.
Papa. Iyan, dularan ang alcohol. Busa siya nito.
Na ayaw kay mabuta ang mata.
Papa na.
Oh, papa. Ayaw. Ikaw sa Jacob, makaroon na rin ka doon, Jacob. Nagpunsit-punsit ka siguro diyan na.
Isda. Shark. Kaya nga, nastuwa na isda.
Hoy, Jacob. Masa yung mga ginawa na? Siguro, pero awat mo siya. Huwag ka na kita mo.
Today we're upgrading Sonic to his ultimate dinosaur form. Will it be enough to stop a giant Eggman T-Rex from destroying the city?
na to guys.
It's up to another one of his experiments. You're not gonna shut him down. Give it up, Eggman. It's all over.
tuloy na.
Wait, what? I'm getting superpowers by being bit by a dinosaur. This was a bad plan. Well, I'm gonna go eat people. Who's the something when he transforms? Except I want to become a T-Rex and stop Eggman. Where am I going to find stuff?
Oop.
Look, that guy's selling an egg. Hey, buddy, I'm going to need that egg. I'll trade you for a giant mushroom. Oh, great. Where am I going to find a giant mushroom? How convenient. Gotta use my trusty rocket launcher. I never leave home without it. Just gotta line it up. Woo! Yeah! Where's my mushroom? Looks like you got your mushroom. That means this egg is mine. I'm one step closer to becoming a full T-Rex. And I better hurry. Eggman's terrorizing the city. Hey, Sonic, I found another egg. Oh, that's perfect. Where? Look out. Oh. These new T-Rex legs have made me stronger, which means I can jump super high. Yeah! I jumped up on the roof in one leap. I need to get to the building across the street. Try to see if I can do a big run. Here goes running start, running start.
Oh,
We
Bob.
don't miss. Yeah! I landed directly in the center. Perfect. What are you looking at? Nothing. Perfect. Yeah. It looks like I'm only halfway up. I can do this. I can jump super high. That was way too close. I almost fell all the way down to the ground. Just land. I just need to land on something, please. Okay, this building is way too slick for me to jump on. I'm gonna need your help. Power me up by liking the video and commenting Go Sonic. Let's do this. Yeah! That's what I call a power up. Earn my jump up and boom! You're high! Hey, Tails! Wait, what? Huh? A dinosaur! What would scare them? Well, time to get this egg. I am even closer to becoming a T-Rex, and it feels super powerful. And just in time. That does not sound good. I've got to find more eggs to stop Eggman. There's got to be some around here somewhere. I hear something. It's one of the T-Rexes. And that one has an egg. I've got to find a place to hide so I can ambush them. Those bushes are perfect. Here goes nothing. I missed the bush. I gotta get in the bush before they see me. Oh, yes, I made it in. There are so many Omegas. Please don't see me. Just walk on by. All of them. And now for my T-Rex ambush. Oh, oh my goodness. I didn't know I was that strong. Oh, I'm just gonna work my way up from the back. Oh, no. T-Rex, punch. That guy charged me and almost threw me into the river. Please don't hurt me. I don't think so. T-Rex, I just kicked that guy like a mile. A few more hits, come on. Oh, I just took 3 out at the same time. These eggs are making me so strong. T-Rex, punch. Oh. Really, dude? Come at me, bro. All right, you asked for it. Ow. I'll be taking that egg down. I can't believe how strong these eggs are making me. Hey, Sonic, over here. Bill, you look better. Yeah, don't say. Anyways, there's a giant egg at the end of this course. It's my turn to be a T-Rex. That egg is mine. The guy just jerk. I've got to catch it before it gets to that egg. This course is already so high. And I've got to go even higher. Who even designed this thing? Ow! No! I'm just going to pretend that didn't happen. Like climb up on this bus floating in the sky. If I never see a bus again, it'll be too soon. This is the last one. I just gotta climb up here. Oh, wait, a shadow! Hey, listen, Brett. You'll get a kick out of this. Wait, what? Gotta get my egg. This is bad. Shadow has a huge lead on me. Come on, I'm gonna catch up. Oh, wait, there he is! I just gotta... Oh, that was close! I didn't see there was a gap there! Okay, Shadow, you can do this. Oh, man, it's really high. He's scared stiff.
Tawagan na ko guys.
I guess get a little revenge. Hey, Shadow! What?
Tawagan na ko
Keep
sa
me up!
kaso guys.
Whoa! I got down! Oh, this is not good.
Maayong hapon, guys. Ma'am Socorro, Ma'am Nitch, Ma'am Ruby, Ma'am Ninitsky, Ma'am G, Sir Jubin, o si Sir Jesus. Maayong hapon sa inyong tanan. Og niya kini akong duha ka mga alaga og akong apo nagtuon na pagsulat. Kay mo school na ni sila karon sa tingis eskwela. Sige, sulat. Sulat sila, sulat. Huwag ako, uy. Ano sa deka? Sige, basa mo, basa. Kay gibidyo to mo. Hello guys, di man day ning magbantay tas bata guys nga. Magyaya tas bata guys. Di man day sayon sukad-sukad karon pa ko. Imbis na maas na ko karon pa ko nakayaya sa bata nga duha ka buk. Di man day masayon nagyaya pero okay ra sila kay di man nagkuguson. Pero magdungan gani paghilak aga. Balaw ako sa puyok. Pag puyok sa isa, tuwang isa, nagsilos. May gani ni akong apo. Kay, ingon na sa ni akong apo nga, ayaw mo pagdana kay masakit si Mama Lulit. Na, muna akong apo guys. Na nabalakas sa niyang papadani. Kay nga no, kung gipani ko din nga ako agat niya. Na, sa amin ni karon guys. Sa amin ni karon guys. So, gusto ka makita imong mali akong giyayahan sa una guys. Musa ding ikaduha. Dito magsaka sa bangka. Hulo. Bibo kami guys. Upatra.